Okay, in this video I'm going to do a quick sneak preview of the new Caddx Ratel camera. This is supposed to be their daytime, nighttime camera. It works in, supposed to work really well at night, or it's called a Starlight camera, I guess is what they're calling it here. And here's some of the specs. This has a 1.66 millimeter lens. It does also come in a 2.1 millimeter lens version, 5 to 40 volts. Check the link in the description if you want all of the specs. This is not a full review. I'm just going to get some footage up here just so you guys can have an idea what this camera is going to be like. It is going to change because this is a prototype. So first off, this lens is going to change. Apparently the night footage on here that you're going to see is quite a bit noisy, and it's because the lens is not a very fast lens. It's like an f2.7, and they're going to be replacing it with an f2.0 lens, so that should improve the nighttime light handling. I'm not sure if it's going to make much difference in the daytime, but I did get footage in daytime and nighttime of this camera as you see it here. The firmware might also be changing as well. I'm not 100% sure on that. I'm going to be giving them some feedback on the way the colors look and everything. So what they're saying is that this is going to have really good colors, better than the SDR2, better latency than the SDR2. So I guess you can say it's kind of going to be like an Eagle competitor. So it's got, like, it's got the glass M12 lens, daytime, nighttime performance. Obviously you have OSD connection to change your settings and all that, so I'm not going to go over that in this video. Just going to show you some footage, and you guys can leave some feedback on what you think of the footage that you're going to see, because obviously it's going to change, but they're going to look at your feedback and see what could be improved. So please leave some comments on what you like, what you don't like, and they can use that to help improve this product, because it's supposed to be a good daytime and nighttime camera. The tech in here is CMOS. It's a 16:9 sensor native, and it is also switchable to PAL, NTSC, and 16:9 and 4.3. So, but anyway, you can check the full specs down in the description, and I'm looking forward to hearing what you guys think of this. There is a little bit of electrical noise in the video. That's from the quad itself, not from the camera, but it probably means that there's not much filtering on the camera board here, so that's another feedback I'm going to be giving Caddx. Maybe they can add some more additional filtering on this, because there's a little bit of noise coming through. It's electrical noise, it's not noise from the camera. Yeah, so keep that in mind. But anyway, I'll roll the footage, and you guys can let me know what you guys think.